I'll get used to this. I would invite the Faculty of Medicine class of 2022 to stand. And it's my great pleasure to ask Dr. Lisa Barrett to lead our graduates in the Hippocratic Oath. Members of the audience and platform party who also have a medical degree are invited to stand and join in the reciting of the oath, provided on page 15 of your program. Dr. Barrett.
I very non-strategically forgot tissues. This may not go well. The Hippocratic Oath has served as a guide of conduct for the medical profession through the ages. As early as the 5th century BC, Hippocrates recognized medicine as a profession heralding service to patients, learners, and society, while maintaining the highest standards of professionalism. Today, the class of 2022 wishes to take the oath to declare their commitment to the principles of Hippocrates' Code of Ethics. Their declaration, make no mistake, will be as essential to their identity as physicians as the Doctor of Medicine degree they received today. So let's do this slowly and meaningfully together. And as my English teacher once said, commas mean something. And we'll begin together. In reciting this oath, we graduates declare allegiance to an ancient, honorable, and durable tradition, the survival of which is important for the welfare of the sick and of society. I swear to fulfill, to the best of my ability and judgment, this covenant. I will respect the hard-won scientific gains of those physicians in whose steps I walk, and gladly share such knowledge as is mine with those who are to follow. I will apply, for the benefit of the sick, all measures that are required, avoiding those twin traps of overtreatment and therapeutic nihilism. I will remember that there is art to medicine as well as science, and that warmth, sympathy, and understanding may outweigh the surgeon's knife and the chemist's drug. I will not be ashamed to say, I know not, nor will I fail to call in my colleagues when the skills of another are needed for the patient's recovery. I will respect the privacy of my patients, for their problems are not disclosed to me that the world may know. Most especially must I tread with care in matters of life and death. This awesome responsibility must be faced with great humbleness and awareness of my own frailty. Above all, I must not play at God. I will remember that I do not treat a fever chart, a cancerous growth, but a sick human being for whose illness may affect the person's family and economic stability. My responsibility includes these related problems if I am to care adequately for the sick. I will prevent disease whenever I can, for prevention is preferable to cure. I will remember that I remain a member of society with special obligations to all my fellow human beings, those of sound mind and body, as well as the infirm. If I do not violate this oath, may I enjoy life and art, respected while I live, and remembered with affection thereafter. May I always act so as to preserve the finest traditions of my calling, and may I long experience the joy of healing those who seek my help. We now welcome you to the honorable profession of medicine, class of 2022.
Thank you, Dr. Barrett. We have been witnesses to your pledge and hope that you will continue to hold these principles throughout your career. Class may be seated.